This is about artificial intelligence, which most of us have heard of from science fiction films. But things never end well there. How are they going here? Our main interest is in how artificial intelligence can support us. We're not just looking at how it works for autonomous driving. Far more, we see it as a key technology for the BMW Group as a whole. For instance, in production it can help with data analysis and process optimization, and so improve quality. Artificial intelligence isn't something that will be relevant for the BMW Group in 50 years or the distant future. It's already being used right now. One example is in current series development, where we're improving comfort for active cruise control, ACC. Here we're using machine learning to be smoother and faster at predicting lane changes. What does artificial intelligence of the future look like? This example is a situation where we were able to use AI to make one particular driving situation more comfortable. Of course, there are countless other situations we can integrate into autonomous driving and elsewhere with the help of machine learning. Great! So there's plenty for us to look forward to, and it's better than science fiction films.